What's the meaning of candid? Candid. Candid.
Candid. Candid. The word candid is an adjective that can be used to describe something or someone that is honest, straightforward, and truthful. A candid person is someone who speaks their mind openly, without holding back or trying to conceal anything. In photography, a candid shot is one that captures a natural and unposed moment. The term can also be used to describe a style of journalism that presents the facts objectively, without any bias or distortion. Overall, the word candid conveys a sense of transparency and authenticity in various contexts.